Hi children, good morning to all. This is Astha Mishra. Today I am going to teach you chapter 2, our body. In this chapter we will discuss internal organs of the human body, respiratory system, the process of breathing, working model of the respiratory system, deep breathing, air pollution. Now first we will going to understand organs. Okay, so as you know, our body is made up of cells. Cells are the smallest unit of our body. Many cells together make a tissue. Many tissues make organs, and many organs together form an organ system, and many organ systems form a body. I repeat, our body is made up of cells. Okay, this first picture cells it is showing here. Cells are the smallest unit of our body. Many cells together make tissues. Many tissues make organs, and many organs together form an organ system, and many organ systems form a body. Our body is just like a machine. It has different parts that perform different functions that are necessary for the body. Those parts of the body that can be seen, it is called external organs like legs, hands, nose, eyes, etc. And those parts of body we cannot see, that is called the internal organs. We will discuss the next topics. Next, organ system. What is the organ system? A group of organs that works together to perform a particular function is called an organ system. I'll repeat, a group of organs that work together, they are doing work together to perform a particular function, it is called an organ system. Our body has several organ systems. These pictures are given there. Let's see. A respiratory system, circulatory system, muscular system, skeletal system, digestive system, and excretory system. Okay, these all are the organ system, and a group of organ that work together to perform a particular function, it is called the organ system. I hope you all understand. Next, what is our internal organs? So internal organs, those organs that are located inside our body, means those organs have inside our body, it is called the internal organs. In these organs we cannot see and we cannot touch, like lungs, liver, kidneys, stomach, brain, heart, etc. External organs. What is the external organs? So let's discuss. Those parts of the body that can be seen are called external organs, like head, ear, eyes, hair, legs, nose, hand, etc. Okay? Thank you. That's all for today.